Okay, this is an interesting frame. It's made for do-it-yourself electric bikes, and it has various sizes, and as I can see, it's well for tube style batteries, so I will order one of these. Let's see how good it is. Hello YouTube, today I want to show you the newest e-bike frame from AliExpress, and let's see how this is it. I mean, I have seen it and it was looking good for a do-it-yourself project, so I will unpack this and let's see what's in it. Ah yes, this is the frame which I have been talking about. This is a do-it-yourself e-bike frame. So it fits one of those things, or one of those tubes. And let's see how good it is. And for a project, I will use the spike which I have bought. I will use the parts and see if it fits, and let's see how it goes. Okay, sorry for my cold and for my battery of the camera which went gone. So, back to the topic. As you can see, we have here two washers and a big washer, or I don't know how do you call it, maybe a body part. However, those things, those two washers will be fitted inside the bearing which is placed here, which is here. So up and down of the bearing you put one of those washers, and on the side you put the big washer, and after that you will get this joint, and it looks very good so far. Okay, this is the mounted frame. As you can see, it's a bit how to say, it's not parallel. Also here the suspension joints are ball beared, which is great, also on the back. And overall I must say this is a good frame. So far it looks quality, and this is the process that I will be making in the forthcoming weeks or months. I'm looking at the welds here. They are looking solid so far. Also the frame is not too heavy, but also not very light, so it's really specially made for electric biking. So I think this will come good at it. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.